A huge Bitcoin breakout is going to be imminent within the coming next 2 days. And guys, there are many reasons why I believe that we are going to be seeing this huge breakout towards the upside. Liquidity is right now being built up on the top side, Tether is still being printed like crazy, and many more reasons that you right now need to see. So can we once again smash up the likes above the 40 likes? That would be amazing. And as always, let's first of all have a look into what's that imminent short term. And what we can be seeing over here is that yesterday we were having a look into what's this symmetrical triangle, and I was pretty much saying that if we were going to be seeing this breakdown, well then of course we are going to be seeing this rejection from this most important level of resistance. And yes, exactly, we did see that breakdown actually happening. The target exactly was the support level of this symmetrical triangle, which it exactly reached right here and bounced towards the upside again after reaching this target. So yeah, once again, a perfect call. But right now, the most important thing to have a look in towards is going to be this symmetrical triangle. This support level and this resistance level is right now squeezing us in, and right now we are coming towards an apex in 2 days. So we are going to be seeing an imminent breakout happening within the coming 2 days, and probably this will actually be very accurate because we are still trading in a weekend, and usually around during the course of a weekend, we do tend to see some more sideways price action. So yeah, we might be creating a little bit, a tiny CME gap down below us. So that would mean that over the course of this weekend, we could be seeing a little bit of a dump. But either way, the most important thing to know is that beginning next week on Monday, I think we are going to be trading at about the 42k level, because right there is the CME gap. Now, for our symmetrical triangle, there is no actual way we can predict if it is going to be breaking out towards the upside or if it is going to be breaking out towards the downside. We can have a look into some more external data to kind of guess and have a better estimate in which direction we are going to be breaking out towards. But all I know is that if we are going to be breaking out towards the upside, I think we are going to be reaching new highs. And if we are going to be breaking out towards the downside, well, we need to have a look into our next levels of support, which is going to be coming in at about the 39.7k to about the 40k level. And also a major level of support is going to be coming in at about the 38.2k level to about the 38.5k level. But either way, I do think it is going to be way more likely that we are going to be seeing this breakout happening towards the upside. Why? It's because the external data is actually looking quite bullish in my opinion. We are creating so much liquidity on that top side. Literally, there are billions upon billions of short positions that could be getting liquidated if we are going to be seeing this breakout happening towards the upside. And what we do know is that Bitcoin usually around moves towards these levels where the majority of the liquidity is sitting at. But on the opposite side, one thing that is quite concerning me is going to be these funding rates. These funding rates are still quite high, and that is going to be pretty bearish for the Bitcoin market. So yeah, whenever these funding rates will drop again and go lower, maybe even negative, well, that will be presenting us with a very good buying opportunity. That is definitely what we'd like to see. Now, the Tether market cap just keeps on growing, and this is a very good indication that the trend is likely to continue towards the upside. Whenever we are going to be seeing the Tether market cap actually declining, well, that is going to be meaning that it is going to be likely that the top is in. But right now, still we can be seeing that the Tether market cap is still increasing by the day, and that is going to be a pretty bullish signal. That is going to be indicating me that it is going to be more likely that we are going to be continuing our trend and get another push towards the upside. Just like the narrative that is currently going on with the spot Bitcoin ETFs that are going to be expected within the coming 19 days. So we are getting more and more signals that these spot Bitcoin ETFs are going to be getting accepted and that we are coming very close. And that is of course a narrative that is pushing up the Bitcoin price. And on that weekly time frame, it would actually be very good for Bitcoin to close one red candle after 8 consecutive weekly green candles. In my opinion, one red candle right here would actually be quite bullish for Bitcoin. But guys, if you are going to be interested in trading Bitcoin right now, and I can already tell you that I myself am going to be very interested in trading this breakout, well, make sure to go ahead. What's that link in the description? Because you can right now claim a free $1,000 trade by clicking on that link in the description. You can claim this insane airdrop position, and on top of that also claim a $40,000 deposit bonus. So make sure to check it out. And guys, yes, I do think that coming next week we are going to be seeing a beautiful breakout towards the upside. Now, of course, we can also break towards the downside, but in that case, I just think it is going to be presenting us with a very good buying opportunity again. So either way, I am going to be profiting from this move. And guys, if you do want to be staying up to date about every single market development, make sure to be following me on Twitter. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.